Hello and welcome to the insides of this 8032, which, as I said, I suspect perhaps one time in its life was a SuperPET, which is not surprising because of my pet collection, I have many SuperPETs that are no longer SuperPETs. Although, of course, all pets were super. So if you look back, by the way, I had to fight to get the little hood holding thing. It was, anyway, it was very bent over, like someone had hammered it. I did use a special screwdriver, such as this, if I can get this in here. There's a screwdriver. It has two ends. One is slotted, one is the other. Anyway, what do I want to poke out? And I'm not sure how well you can see it. There's a ROM here. This is the one. That's why I'm not going to leave this open too long. It does seem to be missing. If it did have a cover, it's missing. Pretty much most machine wouldn't get enough light in it to do anything bad to an EEPROM. So I'm not going to leave this here very long. But this is the machine. It does seem to be all there. Most of the chips are not socketed. Oh well, I much prefer sockets. So I suppose what I should do next, I mean, there may be other things I should do, but I suppose I will go look for a cord and plug it in and see if it works, or if not, what the symptoms are. And hopefully that does not include any smoke or flames or bad smells or anything. Anyway, thanks for coming. That's about enough of that. I'm going to try and find... Actually, you know what works well? There used to be special stickers for EEPROMs. What works well are... Well, in the modern era, if you go to your post office and get an airmail sticker, they work pretty well. But another thing that works well is the Write Protect stickers from discs. If you have a box of discs around and it still has a sticker handy, actually, you know, looking way into the back of the machine, I might actually see the sticker that's come off. Oh dear, hang on. I think I must be careful. I do not want to knock the phone. Oh, hello. Or maybe, yeah, it could be. And it might even say what it is. Just a second here. Paper clip. Huh. Okay, I'm going to just set that over there. But I will find something else. And indeed, WordPro and Paperclip and other such programs often had these ROMs that came along with them. And really, was there... I don't know if there was much in them or not. It certainly was to protect... It was their copy protection, is what it was. Anyway, I will get a power cord, and perhaps I'll be brave. See you soon.